Welcome to automosoft.com. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to use multi-browser software, which can help you to use many accounts with different IP addresses at the same time on one PC only. You can visit automosoft.com to purchase the software as well as get the other further information. After downloading and installing the software, you log in with the provided license and password, and then you will see the interface here. Now, we will instruct you to set up all sections here. The first one is data section. You need to import profile into this section. To do this, you will click on this icon, data, and then you will see the database manager dialog box. There are two ways for you to import profile here. The first one is you will do it manually. So you will click on this icon, select add group, then you will type the group name here. For example, I will type tutorial and click OK. Then click on this group, click on this icon, select add item. Then you will type the profile name here. For example, I will type profile 1. Next, at browser import section, if you select data and the IP option section, you will import browser import here. Otherwise, you can leave the blank. In this video, I will import browser here, browser, and then port. At browser username and browser password, you will import if you need. Otherwise, you can leave the blank. Then click OK. You can see the data have been imported. Similarly, you can add the other profiles here. The second way for you to import profiles is you will create a text file to save profiles. Then you will import all the corresponding information here. First one is profile 1, comma, browser, comma port, Similarly, you can import profile 2, and then port. Similarly, you can import other profiles here into this text file. Each profile will be interpolated. Then click to save. In the dialog box, you will click on Convert, import the CSV, and click on this icon. Select the text file profile created, then click OK. Then you can click on this icon to rename the group for easily remember. Then click OK. Then you close this dialog box at data section. You click on this icon, select the group that you want to run. For example, I will select tutorial 2. Next is run session. This is the number of time that you want the software to run. If you set it at the default, the software will run continuously until you stop it manually. Otherwise, you can put any number you want here. For example, you put 1000, the software will run 1000 times and then stop automatically. Next, tracks is the number of browsers that will be run at the same time. For example, you put 5 here, 5 browsers will be run simultaneously. You need to put a suitable number which can comply with your computer configuration into track section here. Next is folder cookies section. You need to create a new folder, name it as cookie. and then copy the path of this folder to paste it into the folder cookie section here. The software will save profiles into this cookie folder automatically. Next, IP options section. There are 3 options for you to choose here. When you select the first one, data, you need to import proxy into the database manager dialog box as instruction of the data section. Each profile will be run with a specified proxy like this. Next, when you select file and IP option at file proxy section, there are 2 choices for you to choose. The first one is live from file. When you select live from file, you need to create a text file to save proxy. For example, these are our proxy. Each proxy will be interpolated and then click to save. At file proxy section, you will click on this icon, select the proxy text file which have been created. The second way is when you select live from URL, you will paste link address of proxy here. You can visit saferproxy.com to rent safe and cheap proxy. And the last option for you, when you don't have proxy, you can select no at IP option. The software will run with the IP of your computer. And remember that when you select no at IP option, all the browser will be run on the same IP. In this video, I will select data. Next, default URL. This section will save a link address of website that you want all of the browsers will go directly to. For example, you put like this, thus all the browser will go to Facebook directly. Now we will paste another website link into this session. For example, I will paste browserleaks.com, copy this link and then paste it into default URL like this and click OK. Then you can click on show browser to see all the browser will be open, and then you control it manually. To check the IP of this browser, you will visit a website called whatismyproxy.com. And then you will copy link address of this website, paste it into this browser. Then you will see the IP address of this browser. You can see the IP address of this browser too. They are different IPs. For example, if you want the browser come to Facebook, just enter facebook.com here. In this browser, I can enter twitter.com, and next you can enter youtube.com. You can see 3 browsers will visit 3 websites differently. And then you can do anything manually on this browser. These demonstrated above are instructions on how to run many browsers with different IPs at the same time with our software multi-browser. You can visit autobotsoft.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.